Windows 10 to 11. 1. Verify the game files. Corrupted or missing files are the most common cause. Steps: open Steam library. 2. Right-click Supermarket Simulator, Properties, Installed Files. 3. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 4. Restart Steam and try launching again. Number 2. Run as administrator. 1. Go to the game installation folder. C. Program files, x86, Steam Apps, Common, Supermarket Simulator. 2. Right-click supermarketsimulator.exe, Properties, Compatibility. 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. 4. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. 3. Update or reinstall Visual C++ and DirectX. Supermarket Simulator uses Unity or Unreal components that need these runtimes. Visual C++ redistributables x86, x64. Please open your app to see this link. DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Please open your app to see this link. After installing, restart your PC. Measure 4. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA AMD/Intel. Use the official app, GeForce Experience, AMD Adrenalin, Intel Arc, to update to the latest stable version. Outdated or beta drivers can cause you Unity startup crashes. Harder 5. Delete config cache files. 1. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Find the Supermarket Simulator folder. 3. Delete folders named Saved, Config, or Cache. 4. Restart the game. Steam will rebuild them. 6. Disable overlays. Disable these if running. Steam overlay, Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner. These can interfere with Unity-based games and cause black screens or crashes. Number 7. Check antivirus or controlled folder access. Some antivirus, especially Windows Defender or AVG, block .exe files. Fix. Add supermarketsimulator.exe as an exception in your antivirus. In Windows, here's some threat protection, manage ransomware protection, allow an app through controlled folder access. Step 8. Reinstall the game clean. If nothing works, 1. Uninstall Supermarket Simulator. 2. Delete leftover folders in Nattercent App Data Supermarket Simulator, Local App Data Supermarket Simulator. 3. Reinstall the game on a different drive, preferably SSD. Bonus fix: force DirectX 11 launch. If the crash is DirectX related, 1. Open Steam library, right-click Game, Properties. 2. In Launch Options, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Relaunch the game. Would you like me to write a YouTube video